Welcome back. If your Telegram contacts feel cluttered or outdated, you are not alone. Telegram automatically syncs contacts from your phone, which can be useful, but over time, it can also fill your list with people you no longer need. The good news is that clearing those synced contacts is quick and easy, and I will walk you through it step by step. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Once you are on the main screen, look for the menu icon. Depending on your phone, this could be the three horizontal lines in the top corner or your profile icon. Tap on it to open the main menu. Next, go to Settings. This is where you will find all the controls for your account, privacy, and data. Inside Settings, tap on Privacy and Security. This section manages how your data is handled and gives you control over what Telegram stores. Now scroll down until you see the option labeled Delete Synced Contacts. Once you find it, tap on it. Telegram will ask you to confirm your action. Since this will remove all contacts that were synced from your phone, go ahead and confirm. That is it. Your synced contacts will be cleared, helping you keep your Telegram contact list cleaner and more organized. One quick tip: if you do not want Telegram to sync your contacts again in the future, you can also turn off contact syncing in the same privacy and security section. This way, you stay fully in control of what appears in your list, and that is all you need to know. A few simple taps, and your Telegram contacts are back under control.